What is it? It is a bat. What are they? They are bats. Is it an ox? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Is it a fox? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Are they donkeys? Yet they are. Yet they are. Are they foxes? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Hello, hello. Today we're going to learn how to ask and answer using WH questions and yes or no questions. In the last lesson, we learned how to use verb to be like am, is, and are. We said that am comes with I am. Is comes with 3, he, she, and it. Are comes with 3, we, you, they. Is comes with singular nouns. Singular means one. Singular. Are comes with plural. Plural means more than one. So how to make a question? Let's see. What? What is it? We use it with singular. One. If we don't know what is it, we say, what is it? It is a bat. What is it? It is a cat. What is it? It's a dog. What is it? It's a frog. But if they are plural, use are they. What are they? They are bats. What are they? They are cats. What are they? They are dogs. What are they? They are frogs. Again, if it's singular and we don't know what is it, we say, what is it? Again, what is it? But if they are plural, what are they? What are they? And to answer the question, they are, because they are plural. They are bats. They are cats. They are dogs. And they are frogs. What are they? Okay, what about the question which starts with is? And the question which starts with are? I'll tell you. We use what is it, and what are they if we don't know what is it or what are they. We don't know. But if we want to make sure, is it an ox or is it a fox, we use is it. Is it for singular. Again, is it for singular. Singular means one. Is it an ox? Yes, it is. Is it a fox? No, it isn't. So, if it's an ox, we use yes. Yes, it is. Yes. Yes. If it's not a fox, it's a bear, we use no. No, it isn't. Look. No. No. Likes. Not. Or an apostrophe T. No likes not. No, it isn't. We don't use is. We use isn't with no. No, it isn't. Is it a fox? Yes, no, it isn't. It's a bear. It's a bear. Is it a monkey? Yes, it is. Is it a monkey? Yes, it is. Is it a donkey? No, it isn't. It's a lion. Is it for singular? Is it for singular? Singular means one. Now let's ask and answer. Is it a pencil? Is it a pencil? No, it isn't. Is it a pen? Yes, it is. Is it a pencil? Yes, it is. Is it a pen? No, it isn't. Is it? Is it for singular? Singular means one. Are they donkeys? Yet they are. We use are they for plural. Plural means more than one. They are 2, 3, 4, 5, any number more than one. We use are they. Are they donkeys? Yet they are. Are they monkeys? Yet they are. Are they foxes? No, they aren't. Again, we said that no likes what? No likes not. No likes not. No, they aren't. We don't use are with no. Aren't. No, they aren't. They are elephants. They are for plural. They are elephants. Are they bears? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. They. Are they bears? No, they aren't. Aren't because no likes not. Aren't. No, they aren't. They are crocodiles. Again, so we use is it or are they. Is it for singular or are they for plural? If the answer is yes, we use yes, then we make it X and X like this. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. We change is with it. Yes, it is. Are they? Yes, they are. Again, we change them. Are they? They are. We change them. Are they? No, they are not. Or they aren't. Now let's answer some questions together. Choose the correct question. The first one, what is it? What are they? Which one? Yes. What are they? What are they? Because they are plural. They are more than one. What is it or what are they? The boo is one. What is it? What is it or what are they? The crayon is singular. What is it? The cats. What is it or what are they? Perfect. They are plural. What are they? What is it or what are they? They are plural. What are they? What is it or what are they? The book is singular. What is it? What is it or what are they? The apple is singular. What is it? What is it or what are they? The bananas are plural. What are they? Because they are plural. Now let's answer some of these questions. What is it? Look at the picture. Yes, it is. We change them. It start with a capital letter. It is a bear. What are they? Let's change them. They are oranges. What is it? Let's change them. It is an apple. What are they? They are plural. They are shoes. What are they? They are plural. They are eggs. The ice cream is singular. It is an ice cream. What is it? It's an ice cream. Now let's answer some questions about plural nouns. What are they? They are lions. What are they? They are cows. What is it? It's an, don't forget an because it's singular, an ant. What are they? They are dogs. What is it? It's a, don't forget a because it's singular, an equals one, a frog. Here and because and starts with a vowel, but frog starts with a consonant. We choose A. What is it? It's, I'll give you time to think. Perfect. A, because it's singular, rat. So, if it's singular, we use an or a with the noun, but if they are plural, we don't use a or an. You can answer question number 4 and question number 5. Question number 6 is very easy. Now let's go to question number 7. How to answer it? Look at the picture at first. Is it a pen? No. So we're going to write no at first, then a comma. This is a comma. Then we're going to draw an X, circle verb to be, circle the subject, draw an X. No, it, then is, but no doesn't like is, it likes isn't. Do you remember? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Look at the picture. Are there crayons? Are there crayons? No. We are going to write no, then a comma, cross or X. No, they are, but no doesn't like are, it likes not, aren't. No, they aren't. Is it an eraser? Yes. So we're going to write yes, Y, capital Y, ES, comma, then circle verb to be, circle the subject, draw an X. This is the X. Yes, it is. Then don't forget the full stop or the period. نقطة. Are they sharpeners? No. Comma. X. No, they aren't. Cause no likes not. Aren't. Is it a book? Yes. It is. Are they umbrellas? No, they aren't. Because no likes not. You can answer question number 8. Write is or are. It's very easy. Look at the picture. If they are plural, we write are. If it's singular, we write is. It's very easy. Now let's learn about the colors. Let's read them. Red, red. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Black, black. White, white. Purple, purple. Blue, blue. Orange, orange. Violet, violet. Brown, brown. Pink, pink. Gray, gray. وبكده يكون خلص درسنا النهاردة من كتاب استباهات جرامر ليفل 1. كانت معاكم مس رحمة شعبان. تنسوش لايك وشير وفولو لبيج ايزي انجليزي على كل المنصات. باي باي.